Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop. This is HP. This laptop, after open, you can see the blinking display light is not working. It's good. When I take restart the computer, it's working perfectly. And this laptop have Windows 11. So now I'm going to change to install Windows 10. So first of all, I have to shut down the laptop. This is the HP model laptop. So you have to press power key and you need to make bootable USB and press F9. You can see if do the text restart the computer working good. Okay, but now I will reformat it. You can see when I double press the power key, maybe take restart or shut down and turn on again, it's working good. So I don't know what is the problem, so I have to install the Windows display driver. So now I will, you can see also have same problem. So now I will shut down and do install Windows 10 again. Okay, so press power key and press F9 for the boot menu. Windows boot menu for the HP laptop. So HP, here is the USB hard drive UEF send Kingston data traveler. So I have to enter this because I have USB bootable drive. And next, because this Windows is 64-bit, I have to install 64-bit because the processor is Core i5 is 11th generation. So you have to install always 64-bit for the higher configuration in your laptop. So it's loading Windows now. So you can see here is the option for the United States language, and press next and then install now. So if you have original Windows on your laptop, no need to put the product key here, so it will be automatic include the product key in the Windows. So now I will select I accept license terms and next, and then I go to the customs, install Windows only, and you can see here is the many partition. So I have to delete all this partition and I will make new this laptop. So if you have any data, before you delete all, you have to copy your data. No problem, delete all. So okay, I delete all everything, and then I will make the new partition and install the Windows on new hard drive. So here is one hard drive is SSD, one is SDD. I think inside this laptop have two hard drive, so I have to find out which one is SSD. So I will install Windows on SSD hard disk. You see here is two partitions, so here is different. Before was install Windows on this hard drive, so I will install in the SSD hard drive. So I make the new partition because 256 GB this SSD, and apply and OK. And now I will install in this hard drive. So if you want to make the another partition this hard drive, you can make. So I will make after install Windows. So press the next for install Windows. Now take copy the files from USB to laptop. It take time maybe 10 minutes. After complete, come back. So guys, we are already done to install Windows. So now I will set up next step. So I select language USA, United States, and then USA keyboard. So if you want to add another layout, you can add. So I make skip and next. So here you have don't connect internet. So next step, continue with limited setup, and next you have to use the name. So after complete the username, press next. If you want password, okay. If you don't want, skip next. So now accept again, and here is almost done. So guys, first of all I have to connect the internet and I have to update the Windows. So you have to go to settings, and first of all you have to update. So I think this problem for the graphics card before are not supported with this Windows 11. So now good, I have to update and then I will check the same problem or have go in the problem. Finally our laptop is done. Now power on and check have same problem or no. So I have to power on laptop. You can see now opening Windows. So before was install Windows on the SSD hard disk. Now I have to install Windows on the SSD hard drive. So you can see all drivers is perfect. So I have no problem like before. So when power on, the display is not working perfectly. So now we can see all the drivers for display is working also. If still you have the problem, so you just make disable your Intel graphics card and check on the NVIDIA graphics card is working good. If not working, so if I take restart, will be change the graphics card. So now very good working. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day.